た豆腐。
Those are too big though. Those are too heavy looking. Look at that. Oh, actually they're not. They're heavy, but they're not as bad as they look. Plant your love.
I like these t-shirts.
hold that up. That is the biggest candle I've ever seen. Take it up. Okay, this is cute. Colors, right?
Bluetooth.
I don't know which one I like more.
I like blue. Or the pink or orange. Yeah, I like the orange.
It's like an orange, isn't it? I thought it was pink at first, but it's really cute.
We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink, we would lock eyes, so we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love. This lightness of being, we both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep even winter away. So I'll remember your laugh, 'cause nothing
Hi, welcome to another edition of Cookie Time with Aaron. We're about to enjoy a brand new chocolate chip cookie designed by Yuka exclusively. It's a brand new recipe. Hi, hi, hi.
What a face.
You're such a cutie. Such a cutie.
Maple
You're
is
such a
waiting
cutie.
for the
You're such a cutie
cookie.
too. Okay, calm down. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Stay there. And here. No.
Steering. I like it. I like it.
That is really good, huh? You guys wouldn't know.
Sweet though.
That is really good. It is very sweet. But I'm an American. I like the sweet.
Today I made American cookie.
And it's definitely an American
Yeah.
cookie. I've been wanting chocolate chip cookies for like weeks now. And Yuka read my mind. Because I never asked for them.
Like outside is crunchy, the inside is very soft.
That is so good. It is harder on the outside, crunchy, which I didn't think I normally like, but It's so soft on
Yeah.
the middle. It's actually pretty cool.
I like it.
It's really good, really good. Kind of like you are really cool. Right? Can you say hi to everyone? Hi.
They can't see her.
They can't see her face. For all they know, she's a little rag doll. Right? You might not even be alive, according to them. Except for your moving home.
Maple.
She doesn't want to. Okay, so another bite while I'm done.
You guys want a snack? Snack?
So, it's light and dark chocolate? Or is that like butterscotch or something?
No, milk
Is that
chocolate
milk
and
chocolate?
milk
Milk
chocolate
chocolate?
and dark chocolate. Actually, I put walnut little bit.
Oh, okay. That's what I was looking at. Okay.
You guys want a snack?
You guys want a snack?
Oh,
Mommy, I'll get you a snack. Meanwhile, I will eat my delicious cookie.